Say, look at that. I got a jumbo cluster. I ain't gonna lie, this bill gonna probably be 100, 120. No. 93, only one. Yo, YouTube, let's go here back here with another video. This video, I don't even know what we doing in this video, but let me get my cup real quick. Yeah, like a man. Say,
I wouldn't go back to that car wash. I wouldn't go back to that car wash.
Why?
Your door handles got white stuff on it.
That's from me.
What?
Because look, my car was sitting in the rain and it got dirty. So you see the windows and shit?
Yeah, they smeared.
Yeah. That was
did
me.
that?
Yes, because I was trying to wipe that shit off. Yeah, I was trying to wipe it off.
Next time, don't touch the car. Okay?
Don't touch it.
No.
But nah, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
I just did a POV last night and the video, I can't get the video to download. I can't get it download. I don't know what's going on with it.
Oh.
Yeah, like I said, we about to go. Record this drive real quick. This. Shocked you?
Every time.
Anyway, I ain't gonna give y'all that. Y'all gotta go to my POV channel.
It's time to go. Don't try to take the subject.
Yeah, I'm still in shock to this stuff. Still very much in shock.
Let's talk about
Oh my God, I did terrible.
your car look like the shit.
I did terrible.
What product did you use? Windex?
Water.
The fuck?
Yeah, I did terrible. Look at this. What did I do? What did I do? I did terrible on the car. Anyways, I'm gonna wipe it down. Probably to love me.
Wait, come.
Huh? Yeah. How you just gonna leave me? First off, this thing's too bright. Anyway, y'all already know. Back to this. Usually I get combo C. I get it mild with the Cajun.
I want the jumbo crab instead of snow crab.
What is jumbo crab legs? Jumbo snow crab legs. But what do combo C Look at that. I got a jumbo cluster. I ain't gonna lie, this bill gonna probably be 100, 120. Let's see yours. Ready?
No, not yet. I gotta take my video.
Shit, I almost gotta take a video. Go ahead and take the video.
Did you guys anything? Crackers?
Yeah. The little cracker things.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this. Go ahead. Look at the jumbo. I see this. But anyways, y'all already know what's about to go down. She about to kill, I'm about to kill. And then, yeah. Alright, y'all. The bills here. And look at that. 117. It's crazy. Come on now, Kaya.
That was you.
Come on now. Alright, y'all. We just, hold on, you know what? Let me turn y'all down. We just came from now. Yeah, that place is good. I'm tired though. I'm tired now. I want to go and get like a slushie or something. What about you?
No, I don't want a slushie.
You hear that, Kyle?
No.
Did you hear that?
No.
What are you trying to do?
That's a girl.
Alright, y'all, so we at the gas station. We ain't doing no fuel rewards. Approved. No. God, this thing would eat up some gas. It would definitely eat up some gas. But no. No. 93. Only one. It's the only one you could get. Oh, shit. I gotta wipe that off.
Are you looking to begin or advance your service technician career?
I gotta wipe that
earn
off.
up to a $6,000 annual retention incentive, no flat rate pay, a fully
As soon as I get
equipped service
home,
van
I'm
provided,
gonna water my car down.
opportunities to join our industry-leading team. Again, earn up to a $6,000 retention incentive and more. Visit tex.crown.com today. That's TECHS.crown.com.
Look at it. $30. $30. Ain't bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, getting this GoPro footage off my GoPro is so ass, bro. I think I might just start recording off my camera or my phone. Look at Kaya. Yeah, over there chilling. I bought her food and now look at her. I want to go to sleep. Hey, Kaya. Now she want to go to sleep. Yo, YouTube. Back here with another day with Benji. Hold on. Go ahead, shout yourself out. Well, shout out your
Glow_custom on IG.
Hell yeah. He about to change out my grill on my AMG. I ain't gonna lie, he working on a Tesla right now too. So he know how to work with all these cars, honestly. He know how to do this stuff. Yeah, I'm ready just here for more support and try to figure out how to do it. You looking for the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he jacking up the car. But nah, y'all see the grill that I'm about to get? About to get that grill. I got the little Benz logo right there. Just change this whole thing out. Yo, can this thing come off?
What?
This AMG thing, and then can I put it right there, or do I gotta get a whole new one?
I think it's molded on the.
Oh, I gotta get a whole new one.
Okay, I'm gonna put some food.
Yeah, but nah, I'm gonna get to y'all whenever we done. Y'all know, AMG engine. Hell yeah. That shit look too big. That shit look too big. It's too big?
I don't know.
It's W205. I probably need the facelift. Here go the grill. We about to put that on real quick. Alright, YouTube, so far everything fitting. Y'all see? I'm just trying to get this grill off right now. The grill off completely because we took the front bumper, if y'all can see. Took the front bumper off. Now I gotta get this grill. And let me see if I get like a. I'm gonna sit down for Tesla. And it's so hot out here, y'all. I can't get this thing out, y'all. My lips probably crusty and stuff. Probably got white stuff on my lips. No daddy. But I can't get this stuff off.
Damn, boy, there's an issue.
What? Oh, I was about to say. Doing half that time. Yeah, you just gotta unscrew that thing, that same thing, but unscrew it right there.
Man, what the fuck is that shit I just had in my pocket?
Yeah, unscrew that same part.
Here, lift this up a little bit.
All right, let me set the camera up. Try to get the good shots. All right, I got you. Want me to lift it up? You try to find a way, y'all, to make that stuff straight on there, just like that. Oh, you took it off? Just pull it. Yeah, just pull it. There you go. We go.
You gotta be rough with it.
Man, gonna lie, I'll be scared.
Yeah, that's why people pay me. Cause they be scared to do this shit.
Nobody wanna fuck up their car.
Nope. For the final thing.
Okay.
That
Okay.
go crazy.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, where the old one at? Let me put a before and after for this. Here. Yeah, I'll put it in front of it just so they can see.
There we go. Go ahead. There we go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay.
Low custom certified.
You already know. Go shop. Well, really, go get y'all car worked on. Ain't go shop. Yeah, but I'm gonna get to y'all when we get it on though. Alright, y'all, so we done. Y'all gotta see this. That boy tough. Oh man. Now imagine when I change this color too. I'm gonna get like a stripe. I gotta get my AMG badge back. And I gotta get those two stripes right there. I'm gonna do that whenever I change color though. I'm gonna do that right after. But damn. And that Benz cover look bigger, I ain't gonna lie to you. The whole,
that shit looks lost black. Where's the old one at? The old one had holes in it, didn't it?
yeah, I think it did. Here, let me show you. Let me get this old one. Oh, they probably look the same.
Oh, bro, it look the same.
Yeah, it look the same.
Yeah, this how I do it so I can take a flick.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah, take a play like that. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture too. Hey, imagine this shit at night. Yes, sir. Go work with Benji, man. Glow Customs. I'm gonna put his Instagram, put all that stuff in the description below. But yeah, we did it. I'm gonna take y'all a little joyriding around, and then shit, I'm gonna end the vlog. Alright,
$5 used to stretch it for days. Robbing niggas trying to cop me some J's. Mama said ain't nothing good in these streets. Book smart, I was always unique. Then I wanna